and welcome to break 4271 for the 2019 Panini Immaculate Baseball Collection card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, February 6, 2021. It's 10:10 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:10 p.m. Central Time, and 7:10 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Traders 2 spots, Mercury Trading 1, Decepticon 5, with 1, Nick with 3, Damon Orr 6, and 1, Everyday 1, Panch 1, I Chef Around 1, CBD Cards 1, Phil 1, Japri 1, Vegas 1, CL 2, I Chef Around 1, and Sandy with 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Everyday on top, Damon Orr on the bottom. Everyday has the Diamondbacks, Nick with the Braves, Orioles, with the Red Sox. Mercury Trading with the Cubs, Damon Orr White Sox, CL Reds, Vegas Indians, CBD Cards Rockies, Decepticon Tigers, Traders Astros, Decepticon Royals, Damon Angels, Decepticon Dodgers, and with the Marlins, Damon Brewers, Traders Twins, I Chef Around with the Mets, Japri Yankees, CL Athletics, Decepticon Phillies, Pant with the Pirates, Nick with the Padres, Phil Giants, I Chef Around Mariners, Decepticon Cardinals, Damon Rays, Rangers, Sandy Blue Jays, and last but not least, Damon Orr with the Washington Nationals. Good luck, everybody. Empty. Sealed and sealed. Let's see what we have. We'll start with Jose Barrios, Minnesota Twins, quads number 1 out of 49. Quad jersey, Minnesota to start us off. Very nice. We have Gary Sanchez for New York, 21 out of 99. If we have New York, Chicago, or Los Angeles, we'll have to confirm which team in that city. It will be the Yankees, but we'll confirm that. Fernando Tatis Jr., San Diego, triples, jersey bat, 9 out of 49. Very nice for San Diego. Three down, 3 to go. We have a redemption. Winter Collection, Ryan O'Hearn. Very nice. We'll come back to that. 4 out of 10. We have an auto button patch Milwaukee Brewers. Very nice. Of Corbin Burns. Very cool. Patch button auto out of 10. And last but not least, another one of those cities I mentioned, Jose Abreu, Chicago, 8 out of 20. Dual jersey auto, very nice for Chicago. And we'll start with Jose Abreu and looking up Chicago. And that should be the Chicago White Sox. Jose Abreu. Chicago White Sox going to Damon Orr. Congrats. Then we have Milwaukee. Milwaukee Brewers going to Damon. Congrats to Damon. Fernando Tatis Jr. And San Diego Padres going to Nicola Bradford. Congrats. Gary Sanchez at a 99, New York. Let's confirm the Yankees. New York Yankees going to Japri _30. Congrats. Then the Barrios Minnesota Quads out of 49, card number 1. Minnesota Twins, LI Traders 3. Congrats. And last but not least, let's check out Ryan O'Hearn. Ryan O'Hearn. Whole career is the Kansas City Royals. That makes that easy. Kansas City Royals is Decepticon. Congrats, and that was break 4271 for the 2019 Panini Immaculate Baseball Collection card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot and the autograph football mini helmet. And up next is 4320 for the 2019-20 P2J Sports Cards exclusive basketball edition. Thanks.